Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a 3500 HD 4x4 with a Z71 package and a 6.6 liter Duramax engine. Also has an Allison transmission. Polished alloy wheels, fixed running boards. It does have a long bed, power sliding back window, Bedliner. Does have the steps and the tailgate and the receiver. Go ahead and show you that suspension. And the motor bag's right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So it does have pinhole leather interior, additional power source there in the back. Come up here and I'll go ahead and show you some of that VIN right there. It does have a Bose sound system. Go ahead and turn down Leonard Skinner. And turn this down as well so you can hear me a little bit better. Okay, as we come over here, you'll see that it has 23,871 miles on this vehicle. Here's your trailer and controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive. You're gonna have your heated steering wheel, push to talk, trip computer, and you'll notice that it does have cooled and heated seats up front. There are your other comfort controls. Come up here, here's your stereo, just AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then here's your navigation right there. You're gonna see the backup camera, I'll pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. All right, come down below. And you do have a 110 right there and a number of other power supplies. There's your phone charging station. You open this up and you have 3 additional power supplies, USBs, and stowage. Dual glove compartment. And you can got your map reading lights and such up here. So that about wraps it up for this Chev on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front and center. The airbag is not deployed. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.